Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. I bet you didn't know this. Tomato paste scores a perfect 10 when it comes to better health and better tasting cooking. Its secrets: first, it offers the highest concentration of the wonder compound lycopene of any other food, housing up to 10 times more of this star antioxidant than raw tomatoes. That is amazing and important to note because people that eat the most lycopene get less prostate cancer, colon cancer, osteoporosis, sun-damaged skin, cardiovascular disease, and dementia. Second, tomato paste is also uniquely rich in the natural taste enhancer glutamate, which is fantastic for adding a rich, multidimensional flavor to your soups, stews, and egg dishes. And unlike most all other canned tomato products, tomato paste typically comes with no added sugar and often no added salt. Tomato paste should be a staple in your cupboard. And don't forget, you can eat it on a spoon right out of the can. Click the link in today's email to access one of my very favorite recipes that uses tomato paste. Before you go, don't forget to mark your calendar or set a reminder to check your email the day after Thanksgiving for our Black Friday sale, our biggest sale of the year. This is a great opportunity to take a healthy living course for a really steep discount or to purchase one as gifts for your loved ones. Thanks, and see you next week.